Hello, welcome to the Zestron booth here at APEX. I'm joined by Sal Sparacino, who is the marketing manager. Now, Zestron has been in the United States for quite some time now, and they're one of the leading global providers of cleaning chemistries, with factories in Munich, of course.
Well, Ingolstadt, which just outside Munich.
Right, and then in Malaysia.
We have an operation in Penang or Kuala, Malaysia, and we have two plants or two technical centers in China, one in Shanghai and one in Shenzhen. Right, and of course in Manassas, Virginia.
Okay, good. So we've got a couple of products that we're going to talk about here today, Sal. The first is the pH-neutral product. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, no, sure thing, Trevor. Thank you for that. Yeah, at the show we're introducing a couple new products. The first one I want to talk about is what we call N600. It's our newest pH-neutral defluxing agent. It's actually a pH value of 7.5, plus or minus 0.5, and it's obviously pH-neutral. It's designed for defluxing boards, and if a customer, it's highly material compatible, so very compatible with all kinds of different materials.
The second product we're going to look at today, Sal, is the Hydron WS325. Can you tell us a bit about that?
Sure. Zestron does have a couple branded products. The first one being Hydron, which is based on our MPC technology, microphase cleaning agent, and our second product range is called Atron, which is based on a fast-acting surfactant technology. Hydron is actually based, it's our third product, and it's based on the FAST technology, which is this fast-acting surfactant technology, but it's designed specifically for water-soluble fluxes. And it's designed to operate at very low concentrations. In fact, the name WS325 is water-soluble 3 to 5%. Okay. So literally you could use this at these low concentrations to fully clean water-soluble fluxes.
Okay. Now traditionally, people that are using water-soluble fluxes are really using DI water.
Correct.
So why should they have to start really using some sort of surfactant?
Okay, good question. And a lot of people ask that same question. Water-soluble fluxes, by their nature, are designed to be cleaned with water, right? And that's how they're designed. But as things have changed over recent years, pore density has increased and also gotten tighter. Water with a surface tension, at room temperature of 70 or above 70 dynes per centimeter, it's difficult to get the water under these low standoff connectors and so forth. Even under with increased thermal and mechanical energy. Now, Hydron is designed to operate at a surface tension of less than 30, 28 or 29 dynes per centimeter, and so you combine that with the mechanical and thermal energy, you can generate in either batch or inline cleaners, and it just provides the SMT operator with a process that'll he'll be assured to get under these low standoff connections and thoroughly clean any residuals.
Well, if they've been making these boards 10 years in production, and presumably they started out with tin lead processes. I mean, were they doing lead-free now?
That's another issue, well? Yeah. When you go to lead-free, obviously it's higher reflow temperatures, you get more burnt-in fluxes and so forth, yeah, so it becomes a bigger challenge. But then again, still it is an OA, even if it's lead-free, and the water can do a reasonable job, but as I said, if you need a little more push, so to speak, and get that surface tension down and get a little more thermal and mechanical energy, Hydron is designed to give the processor that little extra push and get them to have the reliable boards that they're looking for.
Right. Okay. Well, Sal, I mean, it's interesting to hear about these products, but I think I should point out to our viewers that the products we're talking about are not the ones in this box here.
Well, yeah.
so maybe Sal, you can explain what this is about.
Yeah, this is interesting here at the show. We wanted to put a display up that'll attract attention, and frankly, this has attracted a lot of attention. Obviously, Hydron implies water, and that's where the name, that's why we chose the name Hydron. And in this little display here, we're using a non-conductive fluid here. Obviously, this is not the Hydron, but this non-conductive fluid is not damaging this screen. So, and on the screen we're running a PowerPoint presentation that actually goes through the Hydron story.
Okay.
So it kind of explains what some of the issues are that processors may have if they're not cleaning their OA fluxes, and how our Hydron product could actually solve that problem for them.
Right.
And this display is just a matter of or just trying to get people to kind of look and say, what the heck are you doing? And,
exactly, yeah, it's pretty eye-catching
help me
when you see it.
understand that.
Yeah, okay. Well, you're always innovative here at Zestron. It's nice to see you keep coming out with new products. So thank you for giving us the run-through on that, Sal. And you know, good luck with your sales of it for the future.
Well, thank you very much, Trevor. I appreciate the opportunity to do the interview with you guys. And yeah, we're very excited. We're looking forward to a great year.
Great, thank you. So this is Trevor Galbraith on the Zestron booth here at APEX.